There is one truth we all know. If we have a bad sleep, the next day is going to be dreadful. You can probably remember this moment when you wake up, look at the alarm clock and realize it's 3 a.m. You start turning and turning, then you list all the things you have to do when you get up, and it's impossible to fall asleep again. Then the sun rises, the alarm clock rings, and you feel terrible. You feel tired, you feel cranky, you just don't want to get up. That's it. Most of us, we cannot function properly without a good night's sleep. Scientists conducted a sleep study on more than 40,000 people around the world, and they found that people that sleep on average 7 to 8 hours per night perform better cognitively than others. You might be thinking, well, I would love to sleep that much, but my mind seems to disagree with this idea. Like your brain is saying, sorry buddy, best I can do is 4 hours. But there are ways to bargain with your mind for a good sleep. And one of them is practicing gratitude. You see, the professor Robert Emmons and his colleagues found that gratitude not only can improve sleep duration, but also sleep quality. So, what should you do? An easy thing to start with is this. Just before you go to bed, turn off your mobile phone. No more screen. Then, take a notepad, a pen, and start writing 3 things you are grateful for. It can be simple things like, I am grateful to have been offered a coffee by my colleague Jane this morning. Try to be specific. What made you feel grateful? Why did it make you feel this way? And as you write, you can also relive the moment, visualize the event. It only takes a few minutes and it enables you to shift your focus from what might be worrying you to the positive moments you had during the day. As your stress reduces, you can fall asleep more easily. And if you want to know more, join my free course. Click on the link in the description or directly go to my website lisonmage.com. See you soon!